Ozone is one of the most powerful disinfectants known to man and has been used since the early 1900s for disinfecting our water supplies and a range of other applications. It is created naturally during thunderstorms. The air that we breathe is made up of around 20% oxygen. In a thunderstorm, lightning energizes oxygen to form ozone. The fresh smell we associate after a storm is ozone being produced. We use this same mechanism to produce ozone by recreating the thunderstorm effect. First, an oxygen concentrator takes in surrounding air and converts it into 90% oxygen. Then, an ozone generator uses an electrical charge similar to the bolts of lightning to form ozone. A device known as an interfuser then injects ozone into the water inside the drum of the washing machine. Once in the water, ozone penetrates the fabrics and starts to attack all the microorganisms in the load. The process is so effective that even potentially lethal Clostridium difficile spores, MRSA, E. coli and flu viruses are destroyed. Ozone disinfection doesn't rely on temperature, so wash cycles use mostly cold water. Temperature is only used to assist with removing stains. Otex has other benefits too. Ozone separates fibers, giving laundry a softer feel, and because the cycles are predominantly colder, the wash cycle is less aggressive, thereby prolonging linen life. This of course means energy usage is also substantially reduced, and therefore so is carbon emissions. Ozone rapidly reverts back to oxygen once it is disinfected, and the quantities used by the Otex system are low and perfectly safe. The Health and Safety Executive limit for exposure to ozone is 0.2 parts per million. The Otex process generates levels of ozone considerably lower than this limit. However, for complete peace of mind, a room monitor is installed with every system to warn in the unlikely event of the levels going any higher. If this happens, the system automatically shuts down. If the problem persists, it should be reported. For further reassurance, wash cycles are also monitored, and disinfection can be verified to confirm that sufficient ozone has been provided for an adequate length of time and prove that laundry has been thoroughly disinfected. If validation fails, the load must be washed again. If validation continues to fail, the load must be thermally disinfected and the problem reported. The Otex system is extremely simple to operate. You need only select the appropriate cycles on the front of the washer, just as you would with conventional machines. Every cycle will provide the reassurance of disinfection. It's also very easy to maintain. The only components needing regular attention are the filters on the oxygen concentrator and the ozone generator, which should be checked on a daily basis and cleaned when necessary for best results. Finally, if you need to report any problems, please call the JLA Service Department on 0800 591 903.